Good morning, class. I'm Donna VERZOSA, your mathematics teacher for today. So before we start, please stand up for the opening prayer. Chloe, can you lead the prayer? So, okay, class, before you sit down, pick up a pieces of paper and trash. Okay, so good morning, class. How are you today? Are there any absent today? Very good. Now, before we start, can anyone recall what our previous lesson? Yes, Hannah. Very good. And how do you round off a number? Can you state one, Peony? Very good. What else? Yes, lovely. Correct. And lastly, Gail? Perfect. Today, I will write an expression on the board. This one. So, 4 plus 6 times 5, close parenthesis, divided by 7 plus 3. So, I need 2 volunteers to solve it on the blackboard. Yes, Aldrin and Honey. So, very good. Whose solution do you think is correct? But before that, our lesson for today has something to do with the expression you solved. So can anyone guess what our lesson is? Okay, Jimmy. Correct. So, okay. So our lesson is called the Pmdas, which stands for P, parenthesis, M, multiplication, D, division, A, addition, and S is subtraction. So class, what is Pmdas stands for? Everybody. Very good. So class, these are the rules in solving a numeral expression that has more than operation. Okay. So I will read and listen. So class, these are the rules in solving a numerical expressions that has more than operation. So first, perform the operation inside the parentheses. Second, perform multiplication and division working from left to right. And lastly is perform addition and subtraction working from left to right. And whose solution do you think is correct? Yes, Hannah. Great. So let us try other example. So this one is example. So first one, the expression is 400 divided by 2 times 5 minus 120 plus 5. So how do we get the answer? So first, divide 400 from 2. And then multiply 200 from 5. And then subtract 120 from 1000. And then add, so you can get the 885. So next example is 44 times, close parenthesis, 9 divided by 3 minus 81 plus 45. How do we get this one? So, first, solve the expression inside the parenthesis, which is 9 divided by 3. So, 9 divided by 3 is 3. So, multiply 44 by 3. So, 44 divided by or multiplied by 3 and then subtract 81 from 132 and then add. So, the answer is 96. So, next example is 100 divided by, close parenthesis, 18 plus 10 minus 18 times 4. So first, solve the expression again inside the parenthesis and then divide 100 from by 10 and then multiply. So 100 divided by 10 times 4, which is that, and then 100 divided by 10 is 10 times 4 is, the answer is 40. Okay, so very good. So always remember, we work from left to right when there is only addition and subtraction. Very good. And we also work from left to right when there is only multiplication and division. How about application and solving a problem solving? Yes, sure class. Okay, so this one is the solving for problem solving. So Ma'am Delphine bought a 60 crates of chicos. Each crate contains 150 chicos. He repacked them into bags of 6 chicos each. How many bags of chicos did he make? So, the solution is, first, we need to know the total number of chicos. So, the total of chicos. Since there are 60 crates containing 150 chicos, we have to multiply the 60, where is 60? 60 crates. 60 crates by 150. Okay. So 60 times 150 divided by 6. Okay. So 60 times 150 is 9,000 divided by 6. So the answer is 1,500. Okay. So therefore, Mang Delphine repacked 1,500 bags of chicos. Okay. So did you understand, class? Okay. So I have some questions here and let me see if you really understand our lesson. So what does Pmdas rule stands for again? Yes, Clark. How about the rules in solving a numerical expression that has more than one operation? Can you state it, Khalil? Okay, so I have some seed words. Please bring out a sheet of paper and answer it. So answer the evaluation from 1 to 10 and and solve the two solving or the problem solving. And okay. Are you done, class? Who do you want to answer number 1? So 4, number 1 is 4 plus 6 minus 7 plus 9 is, the answer is, yes, 12. Very good. Number 2, 2 plus 100 divided by 2 minus 6 is, okay, very good, 46. So number 3, 13 minus 5 times 2 plus 4 equals, okay, 7. Number 4, 81 minus 6 times 3 plus 7 is 70. And number 5, 49 divided by 7 times 4 plus 3 is, what's the answer? 31. And number 6. Number 6 is 81 divided by 9 times 3 equals 3. 7. 36 divided by 6 plus 6 times 5 is 5. Okay, so number 8, 45 divided by 5 minus 32 equals 8. So divided by 8 equals, okay, so 15. So number 9 is 25 divided by 5 plus 14 minus 13 equals 6. Very good. And lastly is 8 times 5 or 8 times 9 plus 48 divided by 6 equals 80. So class, or all done? So bring out your math notebook and copy your assignment. So answer the evaluate B 1 to 10 and math challenge 1 to 5 on pages 20 to 21. So write it on your mathematics notebook. So class, are you done? Okay, so that's all for today. See you tomorrow and have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye.